Welcome to the EPICure at 19 study. We've put together this short video just to tell you exactly about what you can expect when you agree to come and help us with our research. We're very grateful for everyone who has helped us with our research over the years, but this is a really new and exciting venture. What we're going to do is to arrange for you to travel down to London, usually by train, and then ask you to make your way to University College Hospital, or UCH. And we're based in the EGA wing, the Elizabeth Garrett Anderson wing, which is just behind University College Hospital. Once you arrive at the main entrance, it's a very easy journey through to find the clinical research facility, which is on the ground floor by the main lifts. In there we have set up equipment that it is difficult to move around, hence we have asked you to come down to London to help us. Once you arrive at the clinical research unit, you'll be met by one of the members of our staff. They will explain to you what's expected and take you through it. At any point, if you don't enjoy the study, then we can drop that part of the study. On the first afternoon, you're asked to do some tests of your thinking and problem solving, very similar to the tests that we've done before. At the end of the afternoon, we would invite you to have an MRI scan of your brain. This sounds quite frightening, but in fact it's very simple and very safe. Before you go into the scanner, we ask you to take off any metal items, because the scanner works through a very, very strong magnet, and we all have to be screened before we go into the room with the magnet to do the testing. All it involves is you lying in the scanner for an hour, listening to a CD which we ask you to bring with you so that you enjoy listening to some music that you're familiar with. Because the MRI scan does sound a little scary, we have produced another little video to show you exactly what is involved to take the pictures. The scanner itself is a little noisy, so you wear special earplugs and headphones through which you can hear your CD. We watch the scan as it's performed and can see it on the screen, and we will offer you a photograph of your brain from your scan. We will have booked you into a hotel. We are trying to use the Grafton Hotel, which is a Radisson hotel just around the corner from the hospital. You're free to enjoy the evening in any way you want, take in a show or just look at the sights of London. But we do ask that you wear a little piece of equipment overnight so we can see how well you sleep, although we realise it's not in your own bed but a hotel room. The next morning we invite you to have breakfast with us in the clinical research facility, and then we start the final morning of testing. In this section we measure your blood pressure, we ask you to do a little bit of gentle running, we check your eyes, we also ask you to breathe into a spirometer, much of the same as we've done in previous assessments. At the end of the assessment, we then will invite you to join one of three separate studies. One involves another magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI scan, but looking at very different aspects of the circulation in the brain. The second asks you to do a small memory task whilst you're in the scanner, and we see how your scan reacts to it. And in the third, we would like to know how sensitive you are to hot and cold objects. And for this, we will take you over to another hospital and meet Dr. Sue Ellen Walker, who will do this testing. Once that's finished, you're then free to go, and of course we won't forget to give you your small honorarium. We would like to thank you for watching this video and for considering taking part in EPICure at 19. This is a really important study which will be of interest to all parents and doctors and the individuals themselves who have been born prematurely. Thank you very much.